Justin Lukasavich at CoachRadio.tv here. Now, Google Plus is very brand new, depending on when you're watching this. I'm going to have some more tutorials and whatnot coming out on it. But one of the things that was holding me back from the service was not being able to use Hootsuite, which is what I normally use. You've seen the Hootsuite tutorials likely on CoachRadio.tv. If not, just search for Hootsuite, Hootsuite, on CoachRadio.tv, and you'll find that. And when I type an update here, what you'll find is I have a Coach Radio and some Twitter. So I've got all the Twitter. I've got Facebook, LinkedIn, of course, Ping.fm, Foursquare, which is a new one that you haven't seen on here, and then Facebook pages. Missing in that lineup is Google Plus. And I didn't really have an option until now. There is a plugin, and it works on the Chrome browser. And I do believe they've come out, or they're coming out with Firefox at least. And here's what it looks like. It adds this thing here in your Google Plus bar, and also here in your extensions. And it's called Publish Sync for Google Plus. Now, I can link Facebook, Google, Twitter into here, and there's some other functionality that I'm not going to show you. These are the ones that I have linked right now, and what happens is it's really neat. I can share an update here on Google Plus, and I can also sync that with Facebook as well as Twitter, and then I can share that out. And what happens now is if I go to the Twitter website and also do an update here, what you'll find is it adds a little plugin that adds a button for Facebook and Google Plus. Now, this is interesting. When I add Facebook, if on Google Plus, I can do it defaults to public for me, but I can choose just acquaintances and friends and family and following. So these are some of the circles that I've set up there on Google Plus. Now, again, if I go to Facebook, and this is interesting, I am on my Facebook page, I can add Google Plus, and I get the same drop down, and I can also add that to Twitter. Now, if I go to my profile, this is my personal page, that was my business page, same thing, Google Plus and Twitter. So it just adds a lot of functionality. The reason that it's not integrated with services like Hootsuite yet is because Google Plus has yet to release their API, which for non-tech people just means that it's not going to work. So until they add that in, services like Hootsuite aren't going to be able to make that work. So if you go to your Chrome extensions and just do a search for Publish Sync for Google Plus, or if you do just a quick Google search for Publish Sync for Google Plus, you'll be able to find that as well. And you can see that a lot of stuff comes up, a lot of reviews for it. It's a great service, and so far it's a temporary fix. Get in there, create your profile on Google+. It's a great service that you're going to hear me talking about more and more lately. But that's how to sync all of those. You can get in there and start sharing with some of your friends. So get out there and try that today. And find me, find people, find Justin Lukasavich there, and let's sync it up. I'm Justin Lukasavich at CoachRadio.tv.